So today we're going to be talking about how to use Apple Pay on Amazon. Now, a lot of times when you use Apple Pay, there's going to be a little icon that's black that says you can use your Apple Pay towards that purchase. On Amazon directly, you actually cannot do this, but what we can do is actually still use our Apple credit card on Amazon. And if you don't have the physical card or you haven't ordered one before because there's no numbers on the back of it, you can actually get all this information from your Apple Wallet. So we loaded up our account right over here, and we're going to slide down and go to our Apple credit card. So when we tap in here, this is going to give us all of our information that we need to be able to go to the next step. So from here at the top right hand side, you're going to see the little icon that has a little card and it says 123 on it. So we're going to tap there. It did a little Face ID for us, and then actually for you, it's completely blacked out, but for me, I can actually see all my information. Apple actually just does that for any type of recording. So at the top, you're going to actually see your card number, which will be the 16 digits that you have. You'll get the expiration date, and you'll have your security code on there and the network that it's on, which is actually MasterCard. So this is all the information you can utilize to plug into your Amazon account to then go ahead and add in this credit card and use your Apple credit card on Amazon. Now, if you'd like to learn how to add a credit card onto your Amazon account, check out my video right over here on screen to learn exactly how to do that.